Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I trade live on Pocket Option. We'll see together how I analyze the market, enter a position, and of course, the final results. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll be explaining everything step by step clearly. Right now, I'm trading using TurboTrend FX, an automated tool that helps me analyze the market quickly and accurately. This makes it much easier to find good trading opportunities without spending hours in front of the charts. I've connected this tool directly to the Pocket Option broker. Now, all I have to do is press the confirm button to receive the signal. And as you can see, the signal is buy. If you'd like to download it, just check the video description below for more information. As you can see here, this tool is giving me signals in real time, which is really important when trading on Pocket Option. The faster we react, the better our chances to catch the right entry. What I also like is that it helps filter out sideways markets. You know those flat ranging conditions where the price just moves back and forth without direction? That's usually where many traders lose money, but with this system, the signals are designed to avoid those risky zones and instead focus only on strong movements. That's why I can trade with more confidence, because I know the tool is working in the background to analyze the market for me. Look closely at the chart. You can see the price is pushing upward, moving far away from the point where we entered. This is exactly what we want to see, and it's a clear confirmation that the TurboTrend FX signal was accurate. Notice how strong this momentum is. There's no hesitation, no sideways movement, just a clean upward trend. That's the advantage of using an automated tool like this. All right, now I'm going to continue trading, but this time I'll only choose markets that offer at least an 80% payout. Right now, I've just received another signal, and this time it's a buy again. Now, see how the market reacts to this signal. If the momentum is strong, we should see the price moving upward quite clearly from our entry point. What's important here is not just the direction, but also the speed and strength of the move. That will confirm whether this buy signal from TurboTrend FX is truly accurate and reliable. So let's watch closely as the candle develops and track how the market responds in real time. The second trade went perfectly, proceeding exactly as predicted by the signal. Now, I'll move on to my final trade of the day. I don't plan to stay in the market for long, as the longer you trade, the greater the risk of overtrading or encountering unexpected market conditions. My goal is to keep it simple, make a few quality trades, and secure consistent profits without pushing luck. And there we go. The final trade for today was also successful. That's 3 solid wins in a row, and everything went exactly as planned with the help of TurboTrend FX. You can see how accurate the signals were and how smoothly the trades played out, even without spending too much time in the market. This is exactly why I keep my sessions short. Just a few quality trades are enough. Trading longer often increases the risk, so my focus is always on consistency, not chasing endless entries. If you'd like to try this tool for yourself, you'll find all the details in the description below. Make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed watching this live session, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.